How's it going, everybody? This is Darren, Chris, and Alex Lowe. This is our solar project. Here's our frontal lens. It goes and sits right on top of this small water heater. As you can see, we can go inside and look at our absorber material. It's a piece of copper, and we have this all blacked out on the inside. This is actually a fish tank. We went in and put insulating board on the outside. Here's our small water pump, which is pumping water through these small valves up here. Now these two pipes that have water running out of it are made for our leg connections to our actual hydroponic plant, and this is our return valve to the water heater. If we come over to the other side of the heater, you can notice that we have tapped a small hole through the water heater, and it's connected to our valve, which is running through passive gravitational pull. Now we have a thermistor hooked up to the valve, which reads the inside or the water temperature of the reservoir and allows the pump to, or the valve to open and close as it needs. We come down to the Arduino. You can see all the connections for our breadboard and our connections for both the servo motor that controls our small valve and all the thermistor connections. If you go down to our actual coding, you can see the temperatures coming in and coming out of the Arduino. If we go to our solar panel now, here's our controller. You can't quite see it. It's running at 12.1 volts right now through our battery. It's at fully charged, even though we're not quite at the proper angle that we need to be for the altitude angle. We're still producing 20 watts of energy per hour. So, CJ, if you want to just lift up the frontal lens and just show where it goes. We have feet over there, but because we are elevated off the ground, we cannot properly put them into place. So, in theory, this should sit at about 60 degrees to the sun on May 11th, our testing day, and the focus angle, or the focus goes right along the line of the center of this copper board, which is going to heat up our water. So yeah, that is our project.